hour.
Okay.
1 hour. We have exactly 1 hour.
Okay.
We're still not loading our bags yet.
Let's see if we can make it. We're in Bali now. Stop crying for the camera. Cheese. Smile. Baba. Mama did the ba. Baba. Mama did the mama did the Shit.
This is the holy water.
Cool.
If you put it on your head, you become holy.
Let's try it.
Start from there and then finish here. And have a lot of view here.
At this temple where people shower in holy water, which we just did.
Pond water.
I'm feeling like a bit itchy, Jinx, but it's really nice and pretty, so worth it. Working on vlogging and working on my craft, but also like how do you be in the moment while you're vlogging, you know, that's a question that came up. But yeah, trying to meditate at the waterfall, so that was nice. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't really like to talk, just look at this view. Oh shit, I feel like I'm in National Geography. Please don't kill me.
Snack cow.
What's big cow?
Snack cow.
Are they dangerous?
No.
Okay.
Ini nyotut nih. Ngilit ya. Ah. Yes, it's dangerous. A little bit dangerous.
Okay.
A little bit dangerous.
Bruh.ทำอะไรอยู่คะ
มาเที่ยวค่ะ มาเดินทำคอนเทนต์
ติดตามได้ที่ไหนคะ
ติดตามได้ที่ QIM
ใกล้เคียงใกล้เคียง
9
ใช่ค่ะได้แล้ว
1, 2, 3, go.
อ๋อตามหมายค่ะ
ไปครับ
You like spicy?
I do yes I do like spicy very spicy please. You know the food is good when it looks like this นั่งกันข้างๆค่ะยำกินกันหมดเรียบร้อย we finished everything we're ordering one more
No, you're 3 more.
oh no way really shit
อันนี้ออเดิร์ฟนะ I can eat it. ออเดิร์ฟ